Grandpa doesn't do dog? Oh.
What time was fell down here? Oh, that's why he's on the break.
Yeah, can you go and go like
Yeah, wait!
Good. So embarrassing. Like, that's your job, babe. The one job you do somehow.
Running after that in my head.
Putting it together, so it's probably going to be like...
I think Easter's later this year, like the third week of April or something like that.
Oh, wow, okay.
And then on our drive home, they were just sort of...
You noticed that it was flooded, and I noticed that it's narrow.
Oh, wow.
Going into the white.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Mommy, hi!
I don't know which is which one. Like that sort of
It does not look like a dog.
That looks like a wolf.
Wow.
And you can see where his claws are. If you see a great big...
With my big stick.
Yeah?
I can't do it like good, but like... Do you know how to spin while boosting? Like spin, like... Yeah. You do? Oh. What are you talking about? We're talking about rubber. No, I'm not. That one was not broken. No. That one broken.
And they would sniff for drugs at their house. And then let him loose. Really fast. He was allowed. Yeah.
On the silver pole. Wave your hand in front of him and push the door.
Oh my god! Sorry, my goodness! Oh my god!
Every single order, because it has like a drop down thing, that's like one of the options.
Yeah.
So they don't have time to like Thank you for doing the dishes. Okay, go ahead, Faith.
Mail.
Oh, I
Yes,
didn't get that.
Where's mail? Yeah, good job.
Oh, wow.
Peyton, you got it?
Yep.
Oh, we do ring number cream.
That.
Yeah.
Sorry,
That
Five.
donut.
Hail.
Yes,
Oh,
H-A-I-L.
yeah, I got that.
Yeah. Vi. V-I-E.
One time and that was one of my drawings and you actually draw it.
Yeah.
I was wondering how it was spelled.
So I got a big fat donut, Faith.
And
Oh,
I
okay,
also got one. I got
Oh, you
ale.
got big fat dog.
A-L-E?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. How did I not get that?
Okay, that was a bad one.
What's
Somebody else
the
speak. Yeah.
Look at all of these
Like
T's in a row.
you got 0 points.
How do you use a yo-yo?
Hey, and I think you're gonna be able to spell your name. Put them back. So cut it like about twice the size, or a little bit more than the size of your wrist. If it's still too small and the beads fall off, then just do more knots. Okay. New piece.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. It's actually messed up. Thank you very much. Okay, Ben, can you cut it again?
I just got like a shooting pain in my stomach. But I get shooting pains all the time. So that was my little vlog thingy. I don't really know what it was. I wanted to vlog, but I didn't want to put in effort. So then I just like vlogged without talking. It was a bit different, but I hope it turns out good. I haven't edited it yet. Why do I have the grid lines on? This is called the rule of thirds. Because I'm on like the third. Oh, look at my photo wall. The pictures like all fell off. And oh, my messy room. And I have stuff to fix them, but I'm not fixing them. Just cut me off. That's so rude. But that's it. Goodbye.